Celebrities who lost their homes in the Los Angeles fires. Number 5. John Goodman, his home in Pacific Palisades, Los Angeles, was reduced to ashes in the devastating wildfires. After the fire, the backyard swimming pool was left as a charred ruin. Number 4. Anthony Hopkins. His $6 million California estate was destroyed in the Los Angeles fires, leaving only a burnt fence as the sole reminder of what was once a beautiful property. Number 3. Miles Teller. His $7.5 million Pacific Palisades home was burned to the ground in the devastating Los Angeles wildfires, leaving nothing but rubble, just like many others nearby. Number 2. Anna Faris. She bought the 4,000 square foot home for nearly $5 million in 2019, and now new images show it scorched down to its foundation. Number 1.